Hello, today I'm gonna show you how to download Opera on your iOS. First, what you want to do is open your App Store, but if you can't find it on your main screen, all you have to do is go all the way to the right, open this app library, write App Store, open the first thing that pops up, then you need to click on the search icon and the search bar. Now all you have to do is just write Opera and click search. The first thing that pops up is Opera browser, which you click, and then just click on this icon right here and wait. Once it's done, all you have to do is just click this Opera icon, continue, start browsing, and it's done.